I'm going to show you how to use the media library items for video gallery. So if we have a video playlist, we can just replace that by going, so if you have video playlist already from WordPress, just create a video playlist and now if we go to video gallery settings, we'll see an option replace default video playlist. So this is normally off, and this is how the WordPress video playlist looks. But if we turn this on, it can look like this. In order to edit the settings, we just create a gallery named default video playlist, and if we access it, we can choose the options here. So maybe we want the menu to the left, and we will see that the menu is now to the left. Maybe we want a different skin for the player, and just choose it. You see the new skin here.